ಅಂತಿರ್ದೆ ಇಂತಿರ್ದೆ ಎಂತಿರ್ದೇನ ಬೇಡ ಕುಂತಿಯ ಸುತರೆ ತಿರಿದು ತಿನ್ನಲು ನೀ ಎಂತಿದ್ದರೇನು ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ more arrogant to possess anything or anyone, because time has stolen everything and everyone. Be humble. Please be humble. We'll start exercise 10.3 first and second main, because first and second main consist of same problems but different method. What is this method? By the method of completing the square and applying quadratic formula. These quadratic equations, we are finding the roots not by factorization method, which is finished. We are finding the roots by completing the square and by applying quadratic formula. Okay? What is asked? Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. 4 quadratic equations have been given here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations if they exist. If the root exists, we have to find if the root exists. How? By the method of completing the square. By the method of completing the square and by applying quadratic formula. By the method of completing the square and by applying quadratic formula. Okay? So how to derive the roots, find the roots? By completing the square, you should know this simple basic. That is, you know that very well, a plus b whole square formula and a minus b whole square formula. What is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. If a square plus 2ab plus b square is found, then you can make it a square, that is a plus b whole square. So you have to complete that. If any one of the term is not given, for example a square plus 2ab, if b square is not given, then by adding b square, okay, by adding b square, you can complete this. You can complete the square. Okay, once you complete the square, then it is very easy to find the roots of this following equation. Okay, that is one method, by completing the square. Second method is by formula method. This is the formula by which any quadratic equation roots you can find by applying this completing the square method and formula method. These are the two methods where you can find the roots of any quadratic equation, but factorization method is limited. Factorization method cannot be applied to find the roots of all the quadratic equations. It is not possible. So what is the limitation of factorization method in finding the roots of the quadratic equation is, if you take the 2 factor, you are taking 2 factor in the factorization method, that 2 factor not always splits the middle term. Okay, it doesn't split always the middle term. Okay, it fails. It is limited to only few quadratic equations where if it is possible to split the middle term by 2 factors which you get after multiplying ax square into c. Okay, so that term, if 2 factor exists to split the middle term, then factorization method could be applied. But it is not possible, it is limited, it is not possible. But this method of completing the square and formula method can be used to find the roots of any, understand, any quadratic equation. Any quadratic equation, you can use this. Okay, so it help you to find the roots of any quadratic equation. Understand? Now in the formula method, which formula we are using? X is equals to minus b. X is equals to minus b plus or minus. It is plus or minus, or plus minus also we can say. Plus or minus square root of whole square is full. B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is inside the square root. Okay, this is also called discriminate. Okay, it is called discriminate. This b square minus 4ac determines what kind of root it is. It determines the nature of the root. Therefore, it's very important. B square minus 4ac. Where is b square minus 4ac? This b square minus 4ac is inside the square root. Okay, this is called discriminate. B square minus 4ac is called discriminate. Whole divided by 2a. Understand? By heart properly this. X is equals to minus b. In the numerator, what is there? X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of square root b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Here what are this a? B and C. A, B and C are nothing but the coefficient of this x square, x and constant respectively. Understand? Which you will come to know while solving the problem. Now, first problem will take up. What is the first problem? Here 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Understand? 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. What is the standard form of quadratic equation? This is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Understand? So it is written in order. First x square has come, then x, then constant. This is ordered. Now, by finding the roots, how to find the roots? By completing the square method is, the first step what you have to do is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0 is there. Here you make sure that what kind of coefficient is present for x square. So that is a. What is the value of a here? Okay. So value of a is nothing but when you compare. So this compare this ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Compare this equation, given equation with the standard equation, so that you will come to know what is there x square behind is 2. Here what is there x square behind, that is a. That is a is equals to 2. A is equals to 2, find that. Okay. So this is a is nothing but the coefficient of x square. Here b, what is there in place of b? Minus 7 is there. So minus 7 is the coefficient of b, the coefficient of x. Okay. Now 3 is the constant, that is c value. C is equals to 3. That is, so when we solve to find the roots by formula method, you will come to know that you have to find the value of a, b, c, and then you have to substitute, so that then you will come to know that now in this completing the square method, we will use only a. A is important here. Okay. What is a? You should know that what is the a value. Understand? What is the a value here? A value is 2. A is equals to 2. How? You have compared this equation with standard equation, so that you will come to know what is the a value. A value is 2. One thing. First to find out a value. After finding the a value, divide through full complete equation, divide by this a, that is by 2. Understand? So that 2x square by 2 minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 0. So what is the coefficient of x square? With that term we have to divide the whole equation. Understand? You will get this. 2 and 2 gets cancelled up. X square minus 7x by 2 plus 3 by 2 you have got. Okay. By dividing the whole equation by x square coefficient, that is with the value of a. Understand? Now the second step is you send 3 by 2 constant term to other side. X square minus 7x by 2 is equals to minus 3 by 2. This is the second step, where in LHS only x square and x should be there. The constant term should be transferred to other side of the equals, that is plus 3 by 2 becomes minus 3 by 2. This is the second step. First step is to divide the whole equation by a. A is nothing but whatever the value is there here. If only x square is there, no need to divide. If along with the x square 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or whatever is there, you have to divide with that. Okay. So then you will get this equation. That is first step. Second step is to transfer the constant to other side and only to retain x square and x and its coefficient. Understand? Now the point comes completing the square. If you can observe here, observe properly, a square plus 2ab plus b square. You can compare this equation, leave this only with this. A square, here minus is there, so take minus 2ab, a square minus 2ab What is missing to complete the square? B square plus B square is missing. If you get plus B square, then you can say that A minus B whole square, because it is minus 2AB. So you can say A minus B whole square. You can complete the square. When you can complete the square? Only when you will get B square. When you add the B square. Now, how you find the B square here? Here you can see that this is A square. The A square, this is 2AB. This is 2AB because 2AB here, X is there. Understand? Here you can see that A square is there, A is there. A is there here. Understand? So leaving this A, 7 by 2, whatever is there, that is 2B. 2B, or this 2AB should be equated with 7x by 2. 2AB should be equated with 7x by 2 because x square is nothing but A square minus this is 2AB. So this is 2AB plus B square is not there. If you find the B value, then we can square and add. That's how I will say that. Okay. Now see here. This is considered as A square. Now here A is equals to, in this step, here A is equals to 2. Here in particular with this formula. Considering this formula, A equals X. Not considering coefficient, understand properly. Here A is equals to with this standard equation. Now here A is equals to X with A plus B or A minus B whole square formula. Here A square. Here in place of A square, what is there? X is there. So A is equal to X. This is this 7x by 2. 7x by 2 is there in 2AB place. A square minus 2AB. Okay. So in 2AB, A is also there, B is also there. Understand? So we have to find what is B. So what is 2AB? 2AB is nothing but 7x by 2. 2AB is nothing but 7x by 2. You have to do this. You have to compare this x and its coefficient with 2AB. And this becomes A square minus 2AB. In minus 2AB or in 2AB, you can find B. So what is this? A and X? A and X are same. So gets cancelled up. 2B is equals to 7 by 2 and B is equals to 7 by, transfer this side, 7 by 4. You have got B here. So to complete the square, we have to add B square. Therefore, make this square. B square is equals to 7 by 4 whole square. We have found B square now. So this B square I am adding here so that we can complete the square. Did you understand? Now. So this was all was there. Understand? Now making some addition. So if I make this addition, then I am altering the given equation. So without altering, how to make this addition? I will tell you. X square was there minus 7x by 2. This 7x by 2 is nothing but 2AB, from which we have derived this one, 7 by 4. Now what you have to add to complete the square? Add 7 by 4 whole square, that is nothing but B square whole square is equals to minus 3 by 2. Now understand properly, I have altered this equation. I have no right to alter. So here I have added 7 by 4 whole square. But equation was this itself. What was given is this itself. And I am making some extra addition. If I make some extra addition to the left side, I must have to make to the right side also. So that what happens? I am not altering what is given. I don't have any right to alter what is given. But I can use certain methods without altering the given concept. Understand? If I add 7 by 4 whole square, 7 by 4 whole square, both the sides, then no problem at all. Or if I add 7 by 4 whole square plus 7 by 4 whole square minus 7 by whole square in the same side, then also no problem at all. Whenever you are adding anything extra, add both the side. Or add plus as well as minus. Understood? Then you are not altering at all. So since this is the extra addition, we have made extra addition both the sides. Now what is this? A square minus this we have made it as 2AB. Okay. Thus it becomes A square. This A is nothing but X here. Therefore I am saying this A square minus 2AB plus what is B? 7 by 4. So B square. A square minus 2AB plus B square means what? A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square. I have completed the square. So I can write as A is nothing but X here. a minus b is nothing but 7 by 4. A minus b whole square. Completed this square. Understand? Now equals what is there? Minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 plus. Now we remove square here. 4 times 49 and 16. 7 times 49 and 4 times 16. 49 by 16. Understand here? Here removed square. 7 times 49. 4 times 16. Complete square. Keep as it is here. Keep as it is. X minus 7 by 4 whole square is equals to, now see here, take LCM. What is the LCM here? 2 and 16. 2 and 16 are divided by 2. Okay? They are divided by 2. That means 16 is divided by 2. And 2 is also divided by 2. Therefore, which is the big term here? 16. 16 is the LCM. Understand? To add this fraction, so you should find LCM, and LCM is 16 here. Okay? So now, multiply throughout by LCM and divide by LCM. Thus, you will get minus 3 by 2 into LCM is 16 plus 49 by 16 into LCM is 16 and whole divided by 16. Understand? 2 how many times? 2 8 times. Here 16 gets cancelled up. Now whole square keep as it is. Whole square is equals to, see here, minus 3 into 8 is minus 24 plus 49 divided by 16. Okay, again once again, x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equals to 49 plus 49 minus 24 is plus 25 by 16. We have got this. Plus 25 by 16. Both are square numbers. Understand? Now in this step, take square root both sides. Take square root both sides. This is nothing but, 25 is nothing but 5 square. 16 is nothing but 4 square. Okay? Take square root both sides. When you take square root both sides, square and square root gets cancelled up. What is the take square root both sides? Take square root both sides. What is this? Square root of x minus 7 by 4 whole square is equals to, I told you, if you are taking any alternation you are making, then make both the sides so that value will not change. Understand? Now here also square root of 25 by 16. One important point to be noted is, if you are writing the square roots, you must have to maintain plus or minus. This plus or minus is very, very important. Whenever you are taking square roots, the constant you make it plus or minus. Why I will tell you. Okay, now wait, square and square root gets cancelled up. X minus 7 by 4. Understand? Is equals to plus or minus, this is nothing but 25 is nothing but 5 square, 16 is nothing but 4 square. So square root gets cancelled up as usual, and you will get x minus 7 by 4 is equals to plus or minus 5 by 4 you will get. 5 by 4 you will get. Understand? Now you ask me why this plus or minus is taken. For example, x square minus 4 is equals to 0, or x square minus 2 square equals 0. If it is there, this is nothing but a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b and equal with 0. Okay. So with this equal individual term, x plus 2 equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0, and you will get x is equals to minus 2 and x is equals to plus 2. That means x, how many value you got? Plus or minus 2 you got. What does it mean? It means from here x square, you can take this minus 4 other side, is nothing but plus 4. This means the same here, you have got plus or minus value. If you are taking square root both the sides, if you are taking square root both, if you are not taking square root both the sides, just you do like this, square, you will think that square goes that side, becomes a square root, and square root of 4 is nothing but 2. You will take only one value. Understand? Since we are dealing with the quadratic equation, 2 roots we have to get. But the same, if you do in this method, how many values you are getting? Plus value as well as minus value you are getting. 2 values you must need 2 values, because it is quadratic equation. And it is not just plus 2, it is minus 2 also, because you find in this way, you will get plus or minus 2. Therefore, whenever you are taking square root, if you are changing square to square root from one side to other side, then please you have to maintain plus or minus, this plus or minus. Understand? So if you can solve the same in this method also, in this method, you will get plus or minus itself. Therefore, so whenever the square becomes square root plus or minus, you have to maintain. Whenever you are taking square on both sides, maintain plus or minus. Did you understand that? Thus plus or minus comes. Okay. Now, once you get this, transfer, you need the value of what? X, not everything. But here 2 values are there. How you take 2 values? X minus 7 by 4 is equals to plus 5 by 4, or 2 values are here. X minus 7 by 4 is equals to minus 5 by 4. 2 values are there. 2 values I have split. Once I have taken, once I equate x minus 7 by 4 with plus 5 by 4, and at the time x minus 7 by 4 I equate with minus 5 by 4. Understand that? So 2 value we have to find here. Now, transfer this minus 7 by 4 other side, so that it becomes plus x is equals to, what is there here? 5 by 4 minus 7 by 4 becomes plus 7 by 4. Understand? Now, since the denominator is common, LCM is common, so write LCM 4 and add directly whatever is there on the numerator. X is equals to, that is 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 by 4, and x is equals to 3 times 3. So when x minus 7 by 4 is equals to plus 5 by 4, now we will see this, what happens here. Transfer this minus 7 by 4 other side, become plus 7 for there, minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, as usual x is equals to, same common denominator keep as it is, and minus 5 plus 7, add the numerator. It becomes x is equals to plus 7 minus 5 is 2 by 4, that is x is equals to 1, so 2 is x is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equals to 3 as well as x is equals to 1 by 2. So 2 roots we have got. What are the roots of this particular equation? Roots of this one. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0, or 3 and 1 by 2. 3 and 1 by 2. You understood? So how we got? By the method of completing the square. By the method of completing the square, we have got the roots of this particular equation, that is 3 and 1 by 2. Understand properly? So what are the methods? What are the things you have to follow? Okay. First you have to find what is A and divide throughout the equation by that A, so that you will get this. Once you get this, then move the constant from one side to other side. Retain only x square and x, so that it becomes a square minus 2ab, or a square plus 2ab. Okay. So compare this x and its coefficient with 2ab, and a and x cancel, so that you will get b, and make it b square. After squaring you will get b square. Okay. Add b square both the sides. and then do as usual, you will get the root. This is method of completing the square. The same problem now I am going to solve by applying quadratic formula. Same problem, and you will get the same answer. Understand? Now, same question, this one, we will solve by applying quadratic formula. What is the quadratic formula here? Write down quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Using this, we are finding the roots of this equation. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Understand? Now, first you have to write down the quadratic formula, first step. Very, very important. Next, you have to find what is this b, what is this b, what is a, c, a, everything you have to find. How? By comparing this equation with standard equation. Write down the equation. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Write down standard equation. ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Understand? What is the coefficient of x square here? Is 2. With the standard equation, a. So, a is equals to 2. A is equals to, because coefficient of x square is 2 here. So, in the standard equation, coefficient of x square is a. So, a equals 2. Now, compare this. Coefficient of standard equation and given equation. Standard equation b, given equation minus 7. Consider this minus, don't forget. B is equals to minus 7. And constant, c is equals to 3. Understand? So, you will get correctly only when you write in order x square, then x, then constant. So, you have got a, b and c values from this equation. Now, this values you have to apply here. These values you have to apply. Okay. So, what is the equation once again? X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. X is equals to minus, remember the formula minus. Formula minus, remember. Next, what is b? B is also minus 7. Minus 7. In the formula 1 minus is there. Okay. The value of b is minus 7. Understand? Then plus or minus. Just substituting, that's all. Again. B square is nothing but minus 7 square. Minus 4. 4 is there. 4 value is 4 itself. A value 2. 4ac means 4 into a into c. Therefore, 4 into, you cannot write 4, 2, 3. That becomes 423. It is not like that. 4 into 2 into, that is c value is 3. Whole divided by 2. A is nothing but 2. Okay. Now, just do the operation. Minus into minus, plus 7, plus or minus square root of, minus into minus plus, 7 times 49 minus 4 2 times 8, 8 3 times 24 whole divided by 2 times 4. X is equals to 7 plus or minus 49 minus 24 is 25 whole divided by 4. X is equals to 7 plus or minus 25 is the square number. So, square root of 25 is 5 whole divided by 4. Understand? Now, you can see that this 5 is plus or minus 5. So, that we can write twice. Once with the plus and once with minus. That is, x is equals to 7 plus 5 by 4 or x is equals to 7 minus 5 by 4. X is equals to 7 plus 5 is 12 by 4. 12 by 4 is nothing but 3. X is equals to 7 minus 5 is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Same exactly 3 and 1 by 2 roots we have got. In the method of completing the square we have got the same, and in the formula method also you will get the same, and method will, whatever the method, the answer remains same. Understand? The mathematics answer will not change by applying different methods. Whatever the method you apply, the answer is same. But the advantage of this method of completing the square and quadratic formula method is you can solve any quadratic equation. This is very easy. Than completing the square is very easy, but completing the square gives you more idea about how to solve the problem. Understand this? Now, what are the roots of this quadratic equation? 3 and 1 by 2 are roots of, don't forget to write the roots of 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. Did you understand, children? Now we'll enter into the second question with both the methods, completing the square as well as formula method. We'll find the roots of second question by both the methods, completing the square as well as formula method. Okay. So what is the second question? Second question, 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0. 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to 0. So by the method of completing the square, so what is the first step to be taken? First step is find the value of a here. A value is 2. A value is 2 here. X square coefficient is 2. Okay. So divide throughout by x square coefficient so that you will get 2x square by 2. This is the method of completing the square. Okay. By finding the roots, find the roots of this particular equation by the method of completing the square. 2x square by 2 plus x by 2 minus 4 by 2 is equal to 0 by 2 is 0 only. 2 gets cancelled up. X square plus x by 2, 2 times 2 equals 0. After dividing throughout by x square coefficient, you have got x square plus x by 2 minus 2 equals 0. This is the first step. The second step is transfer this constant to other side. Okay, retain only x square and x. So that x square plus x by 2 is equals to 2. Plus 2 minus 2 becomes plus 2. Now you have to compare this particular equation, whatever is there in the left hand side, with a plus b whole square formula, or a square, x square in place of x square, in place of a square, what is there? X square plus 2ab, because 2ab, why I said? Because x is there here. X square plus 2xb plus b square. If you say, if you put in like that, okay? A square plus 2ab plus b square is required to complete the square. Understand? In place of a square, in place of a square, what is there? X square is there. 2ab, 2ab. This becomes 2ab because x is there here. Therefore, it becomes 2ab. Understand? Now compare this 2ab with x by 2. Always this term becomes 2ab. Understand? Now x and a are common because here x square is nothing but a square is nothing but x square here, and 2b is equals to 1 by 2 and b is equals to 1 by 4. B is equals to 1 by 4. We have found b. Understand? So what we need is b square. So b square is equals to, b make it as b square, and whatever there in the other side make it as whole square. Square taken on both sides. Now this b square add both the side. X square plus x by 2 plus this b square is nothing but 1 by 4 whole square is equals to 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Understand? Now we can complete this square. How? This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. We have completed the square. Then what remains here? 2 plus 1 by 16. Remove square here, that is 1 into 1 is 1. 4 times 16. X plus 1 by 4 whole square is equals to, you have to add 2 and 1 by 16. How you add? By taking LCM. What is the LCM here? LCM is 16. So 16 you got LCM. What do you do? Multiply individual term with LCM and divide by LCM. That is 2 into 16 plus 1 by 16 into 16 whole divided by 16. Understand? Understand this? Now see here. The same once again here, I'll write x plus 1 by 4 whole square is equals to 16 2 times 32 16 got cancelled up here, plus 1 whole divided by 16. X plus 1 by 4 whole square is equals to 33 by 16. Understand? So this is the second step. From here to here we have brought. The third step is take square root on both sides. Take square root on both sides. Understand? When you take square root on both sides, then it becomes square root gets cancelled up, so that x plus 1 by 4 remains here, plus or minus square root of 33 by 16. How I got this? By taking square root on both sides. When you take square root on both sides, square root gets cancelled up, this one. You will get here. X plus 1 by 4 is equals to plus or minus, see here, root 33 is not a square number, keep as it is. But denominator 16 is a square number, therefore square root of 16 is 4. This root 33 by 16 becomes here root 33 and 4. Root 33 by 4. Root 33 by 4. Why? Because square root of 16, see, numerator kept as it is. For denominator is the square number, so that we have removed. Not applied square root here. Why not applied? Because 16 is a square number. You understand? Now, what you want to do is x plus 4 plus or minus is there. X plus 1 by 4 is equals to, once you take plus root 33 by 4 and x plus 4 is equals to minus root 33 by 4. Now transfer 1 by 4 on the side. X is equals to plus 33 root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Since denominator is common, x is equals to root 33 by 1, root 33 minus 1 whole divided by 4. This is one value. Here x is equals to, transfer plus 1 by 4 becomes minus 1 by 4. Root 33 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Understand? So denominator is common as usual. X is equals to minus root 33 minus 1 whole divided by 4. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation of this equation. This quadratic equation, 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0. What are the roots of this quadratic equation? X is equals to root 33 minus 1 by 4 and x is equals to minus root 33 minus 1 by 4. Okay, so these are the roots, these two are the roots of this quadratic equation. How we solve? By the method of completing the square. Now the same problem we are solving by applying quadratic equation. Okay, by formula method. This quadratic equation, for this quadratic equation, so we will find the root by applying formula, quadratic formula. Okay, we'll see how it is. Now we'll see to solve this, to find the roots of this equation by formula method. What is the formula? X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, compare this equation with the standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. When you compare, you can see that a is nothing but 2, b is nothing but, see, b here in the standard equation, b is the coefficient of x. Here what is the coefficient? 1. If nothing is there, 1. Okay, so c value, constant value is minus 4. Okay, you have got the value of a, b and c. Now directly substitute here in this equation. X is equals to minus, what is the value of b? 1. Then what is there? Plus or minus, just going for substitution, that's all. B square means 1 square minus 4, a is nothing but 2 and c is nothing but minus 4. 4ac, 4, 2 into c, c is nothing but minus 4 whole divided by 2 into what is a is nothing but 2. Now x is equals to minus 1 plus or minus 1 square is 1, minus into minus is plus, 4 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32 by 4. Now x is equals to minus 1 plus or minus root 33 by 4. Since plus or minus is there, we are going to split now. X is equals to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4, or x is equals to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4. We cannot do anything. We cannot go for further simplification. That's all it is. Understand? In method of completing square also we have got the same answer. X is equals to minus 1 plus root 33 by 4, and x is equals to minus 1 minus root 33 by 4, and in the completing square method also we have got the same. Answer will not change even if the method is changed. Understand? Now we'll enter into the third question. Now we'll find the roots of this quadratic equation, equation number 3, by method of completing the square. Okay, so what is that? First step you have to follow, find out what is the value of a. A value here is 4. When you compare this with the standard equation you will get a is equals to 4. Okay, so after getting a is equals to 4, what are you going to do? You have to divide the whole equation by 4, so that 4x square by 4 plus 4 root 3 x by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equals to 0. 4 gets cancelled up. Here also 4 gets cancelled up. Remaining is x square plus root 3 x plus 3 by 4 equals 0. After dividing throughout by a, which is nothing but 4, so you will get this. This is the first step. Next step is just transfer this constant term plus 3 by 4, other side it becomes minus 3 by 4, that is x square plus root 3x is equals to minus 3 by 4. Now we have retained only x square and root 3x, which is nothing but a square plus 2ab. Okay, so what we need to find? We have got a square plus 2ab. So what we need to find? B square we have to find. Understand? Now what is this? This root 3x. This root 3x is nothing but 2ab. This is a square plus 2ab. With 2ab we can find b. This a and x are same because in place of a, x is there. Understand? That is 2b is equals to root 3 and b is equals to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. B we have got, and square both side. B square is equals to root 3 by 2. Square both side because b is equals to root 3 by 2. B square is equals to root 3 by 2 whole square. That's all. Now add this both the sides. That is x square plus root 3x plus root 3 by 2 whole square is equals to minus 3 by 4. Should add the same other side also, that is plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Understand? This is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square. What is a? A is x plus what is b? Root 3 by 2 whole square is equals to, now 3 by 4 plus, apply this square for both root 3 and 2, it becomes 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now see here, x plus root 3 by 2 whole square is equals to plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4, both gets cancelled up, remains 0. It becomes 0. Understand? It becomes 0. Now the thing to be understood is very, very important. It has become 0. Now what you do is x plus root 3 by 2 whole square is equals to 0. Don't take square both sides, okay? Instead, x plus root 3 by 2, x plus root 3 by 2, because 2 square can be written as 2 into 2. In the same way, x plus root 3 by 2 whole square written as 2 times x plus root 3 by 2 into x plus root 3 by 2. Okay. So now equate with 0 individual term. X plus root 3 by 2 equals 0. X plus root 3 by 2 equals 0. Transfer the side. X is equals to minus root 3 by 2. And here also x is equals to minus root 3 by 2. Both the roots are here. Both the roots of this quadratic equation are minus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Okay. So what are the roots of 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 equals 0 or minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2. These are the roots. Understand? So these roots we have got by completing the square method. Now the same we will find by quadratic formula method. We will find the roots of the same equation by quadratic formula method. What is the formula? X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Okay. Now compare this with the standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. When you compare, you will get a, b and c value. A is equals to 4, b is equals to 4 root 3, b is equals to, in place of x what is there? 4 root 3, and c is equals to 3. What is the coefficient of x square? 4. What is the coefficient of x? 4 root 3. What is the coefficient? What is the constant? 3. Taken. Now substitute here, that is x is equals to minus, what is b? 4 root 3. In place of b, 4 root 3 written, because b is equals to 4 root 3. Then plus or minus b square is 4 root 3 whole square minus 4. A is nothing but 4 and c is nothing but 3 whole divided by 2 into a is nothing but 4. Now x is equals to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 4 times 16, root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 4 times 16 into 3 whole divided by 4 times 8. Here you can see that 16 into 3 same, so it becomes 0. This particular b square minus 4ac becomes 0. X is equals to minus 4 root 3 by 8, 4 root 3 by 8. Here plus or minus has become 0. 16 3 is 48, plus 48 minus 48 becomes 0. So this aspect is gone. So we are remained with this itself. Okay. X is equals to minus 4 once 4 twice minus root 3 by 2. Okay. What you got? Minus root 3 by 2. Understand? One more value is minus root 3 by 2 itself, because here roots are equal. B square minus 4ac, discriminate. This particular whatever is there, the root, this root value has become 0. B square minus 4ac, what happened here? This value has become 0. This value has become 0 means roots are same. That means both the values are minus root 3 by 2 and minus root 3 by 2 itself. Understand? By the formula method also, you have got the same roots. What is the roots? Root 3 by 2 and root 3 by 2. Understand? Now we'll jump into the fourth question, fourth quadratic equation. Now we'll find the roots of the fourth quadratic equation by the method of completing the square as well as by quadratic formula method. Okay. So now first method is by completing the square. So what we need to do? Find out the value of a. A is equals to, what is here? 2. After finding the value of a, divide throughout by a, so that 2x square, what is a here? 2 plus x by 2 plus 4 by 2 equals 0 by 2 is 0. X square plus x by 2, 4 by 2 is 2 equals 0. Finished. Divided throughout by x square coefficient. We have got this. Transfer plus 2 other side. X square plus x by 2 is equals to minus 2. Got minus 2. Now it is in the form of a square plus 2ab. Where is b square? Find with this. 2ab is nothing but x by 2. X and a are one and the same. 2b is equals to 1 by 2. b is equals to 1 by 4. b is equals to 1 by 4. We have got b square is equals to 1 by 4 whole square. Add 1 by 4 whole square both the side, so that we can complete the square, x square, a square plus 2ab is nothing but x by 2 plus add this plus 1 by 4 whole square is equals to minus 2 is there, add here also 1 by 4 whole square. Don't forget, after finding b square, b square it both side. After squaring both side, after squaring you have to add that b square both the sides, very important, not one side, both the side. Now it is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square is nothing but a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Did you understand this? This is a plus b whole square. A is nothing but x, b is nothing but 1 by 4 is equals to minus 2 plus 1 by, apply square here, 16, 1 by 16. Understand? X plus 1 by 4 is equals to, now take LCM and multiply and divide with the LCM, so that 2 into 16, what is the LCM? 16 here, plus 1 by 16 into 16 and whole divided by 16. Understand? Here 16, 16 gets cancelled up. Don't forget to put square here, very important. X plus 1 by 4 whole square is equals to minus 2 into 16 is minus 32 plus 1 whole divided by 16. X plus 1 by 4 whole square is equals to minus 31 by 16. Minus 31 by 16. Now apply this square root both the side. When you apply square root both the side, x plus 1 by 4 square and square root gets cancelled up, plus or minus square root of minus 31 by 16 comes, because here the value is minus. Whenever minus comes inside the root, then it is imaginary. Imaginary. There is no value for that. It is not defined at all. You cannot find the value. Understand? Why you cannot find the value? Because inside the root there is a negative number. Understand? When discriminant b square minus 4ac becomes a negative number, then there is no solution for this at all. Therefore, not defined, not possible to define, not possible to find any roots. You can say that there is no roots for this 2x square plus x plus 4 is equals to 0. It is not defined. Why not defined? No roots here, no roots at all. Why no roots? Because inside what is there? Inside the square root, minus is there. Therefore, no roots. Understand? It is not possible to define. It is not possible to find the roots. This is imaginary. What is this? This is imaginary. Okay. Understand? Thus, you must know that b square minus 4ac in this formula, b square minus 4ac is very important factor. B square minus 4 is a very important factor which defines the nature of the root. Since minus came inside, not possible, imaginary. Understand? Now we'll jump into the third main. Okay. Before jumping into third main, we will find the roots of this equation by formula method. If at all whether exists or not, we'll see that. Okay. Formula method. X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Okay. Compare this with standard equation so that you will get a is equals to 2, b is equals to 1, c is equals to 4. Okay. A is equals to 2, b is equals to 1 because coefficient of x is 1. Understand? C is equals to 4. And substitute here x is equals to minus, what is b here? B is 1 plus or minus square root of b square is nothing but 1 square minus 4 into, what is a? A is 2 and c is 4 whole divided by 2 into 2. X is equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 times 16 into 2 is 32 by 4. X is equals to minus 1 plus or minus 32 plus 1 is minus 31 by 4. Since minus 31 we have got inside the square root, minus 31 is there. Since minus 31 is there, then it is imaginary. It is not possible to find the roots of this quadratic equation. Understand? Why? It is just because what is there in the b square minus 4ac? Here b square minus 4ac value we have got minus. Whenever b square minus 4ac, this is also called discriminant. Okay, so when b square minus 4ac value should be more than or equal to 0 or more than 0. It should not be less than 0. If it is less than 0, minus value means less than 0. Yes, less than 0 means imaginary. Roots are imaginary. That means no roots at all. Roots are imaginary. No, not possible to find the value here. Okay, roots are imaginary. Write down what is roots are imaginary. Roots of which equation is imaginary? 2x square plus x plus 4 equals 0. So for this, the roots are imaginary. Why the roots are imaginary? Because we have got minus value inside the root. Understand? Now I think it's clear. Directly we'll jump into the third main of this exercise 10.3. Third main of exercise 10.3, which says that find the roots of the following equations. Find the root of the following equation. Two equations are given. First one is x minus 1 by x is equals to 3, where x is not equals to 0. The second equation is 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 30, where x is not equals to minus 4 or 7. Why it is this condition is given? Because if x becomes 0, then 1 by 0 it becomes here. 1 by 0, if denominator becomes 0, then it is not possible to define. So 1 divided by 0 or anything divided by 0 is infinity. Infinity means that number we do not know. Therefore, care must be taken to make sure that denominator should not become 0 here. Therefore, it is said x is not equals to 0. Denominator factor should not become equal to 0. If it has become 0, then it is impossible to find anything because it takes infinity value. Here also in the second question, x is not equals to minus 4. If x becomes minus 4, then this factor becomes 0. Minus 4 plus 4 becomes 0. 1 by denominator becomes 0. Or x should not be equals to 7 also, because 7 minus 7 is 0 here. Understand? So here the condition x is not equals to 0, x is not equals to minus 4 plus 7 given is because denominator should not become 0 at all. If it becomes 0, then it is impossible. Understand? So with this condition we start the first question, that is x minus 1 by x is equals to 3. This is equation. We have to change into quadratic equation to find the roots. To find the roots, it is we have to change into quadratic equation. How you change? Either by taking LCM or by multiplying throughout by x. Multiply throughout by x or both side by x. That means x into x minus 1 by x is equals to 3 into x. Now multiply x into x, x square minus x into 1 by x, x into 1 by x is equals to 3 into x is 3x. Got cancel up. X square minus 1 is equals to 3x. Now bring everything in one side and equate with the 0 to make quadratic equation. X square minus 1 minus 3x equals 0 plus 3x becomes minus 3x equals 0. Now arrange in proper order. X square, after x square put minus 3x and then constant is equals to 0. We have brought now this particular equation as quadratic equation. X square minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. We have brought into quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation. X square minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. Understand? Now what we need to do is we have to find the roots of this equation, this quadratic equation. So which method it is not said. So how many methods we have got? We have got 3 methods. That is factorization method, completing the square method, and the quadratic formula, using quadratic formula. Understand? So I said that factorization method has a limitation where you have to get the factor to split the middle term. But formula method and completing the square method, any problem, any quadratic equation you can solve, you can find the roots. Understand? So we'll see that whether we get the factor for this so that to split here. Understand? What will you do in the factorization method? Ax square should be multiplied with c. What is that ax square? X square is nothing but x square and c is minus 1. So it becomes 1 minus square or just minus 1x square or minus x square. Both one and the same. Understand? Minus x square. It becomes minus x square. that is minus 1x square. How many x squares are there? 1x square. Understand? Minus 1x square. This minus 1x square, you have to find two factors, so that you should get middle term minus 3. Minus 3x. Middle term, what do you get? Minus 3x. Is it possible to get? I don't think it's possible. Why? Because when you take the factor for this minus into plus. Factor for this minus into plus. Factor for x square is x and x. What is the factor for 1? How many x square? Other coefficient is 1. 1x square. 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Is it not? So 1 plus 1 is 2. Or 1 minus 1 is 0. So here 3 you will not get. So it is not possible to find the factor, two factor of ax square into c, that is minus x square. Here minus x square factor, two factor you will not get, so that you can split the middle term. Not possible. Therefore, this is limited. This particular question, quadratic equation, is limited to completing the square and formula method, not to solve by factorization method. Understand? It is not possible to find the roots by factorization method. Here we are not going to get the factors, two factors to split the middle term. Okay. Now, which are the other methods we have got? Two methods. I will do in the formula method. So you try at home by completing the square. Okay. What is the formula? X is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Compare this with the standard equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. What is the given equation? X square minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. So coefficient of x square is a is nothing but 1, because how many x square are there? 1 x square, that is equals 1. How many x are there? Minus 3x are there. Therefore, coefficient is minus 3. Here, okay. Constant, what is the constant? Minus 1. Minus 1. Substitute here in the formula, quadratic formula, x is equals to minus, the formula minus is there. What is the value of b? Value of b is minus 3 plus or minus square root of b square is minus 3 whole square minus 4, a means 1, c means minus 1 whole divided by 2 into a means 1 is equals to minus into minus plus 3 plus or minus square root of, so minus 3 whole square. So when you are applying square, apply for sign as well as number, such that minus into minus plus 3 times 9. Okay. Here minus into plus, because this is 4 into a into c, the 4 into 1 into minus 1, minus into plus, minus into minus is plus, 4 ones 4 itself. Here 2 ones is 2. X is equals to 3 plus or minus, this is 9 plus 4 is 13 whole divided by 2. Observe here, plus or minus is there. So split it so that x is equals to 3 plus root 13 by 2, or x is equals to 3 minus, once taken plus, once taken minus, minus root 13 by 2. These are the roots of this particular equation. Understand? So which we have brought into this form, quadratic equation form, and then we have found the roots. The roots are nothing but 3 plus root 13 by 2 or 3 minus root 13 by 2. These are the roots. These are the roots of what? X minus 1 by x is equals to 3, or x square minus 3x minus 1 equals 0. Did you understand? Okay, now we'll jump into the second question. Now we'll see the second equation, children. So which is nothing but 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 13, where x is not equals to minus 4 or 7. Understand? What you do here? Write down 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 30. Okay. Now see the denominator here in the left hand side. Denominator x plus 4 and x minus 7. Take denominator is x plus 4 and x minus 7. So we don't want anything in the denominator, understand? We have to bring it to quadratic equation form. So whatever the denominator here, that you take and multiply throughout, so that x plus 4 into x minus 7 multiplying with this x plus 4 and x minus 7 throughout this equation. 1 by x plus 4 minus 1 by x minus 7 maintain bracket is equals to 11 by 30 into x plus 4 into x minus 7. Multiplying x plus 4 into x minus 7 throughout the equation, both the sides. Okay, when you are multiplying both the sides, value does not change. Now, this x plus 4 into x minus 7 multiply with the individual term. Understand? Thus, x plus 4 into x minus 7 into 1 is nothing but 1 itself, and we maintain denominator x plus 4 minus same x plus 4 into x minus 7 1 times whole divided by same x minus 7 is equals to 11 by 30, keep as it is, x plus 4 into x minus 7. Now see here, x minus 7 gets cancelled up, x plus 4 gets cancelled up, remaining terms are x minus 7 minus, when minus is there, maintain bracket properly, x plus 4 is equals to 11 by 30. Now multiply binomial with binomial, so that x into x, x square, x into minus 7 is minus 7x. Finished multiplying x with x minus 7. Now multiply plus 4 with x minus 7. Plus 4 into x is plus 4x. Plus into minus is minus. 4 7 times 28 and close the bracket. Okay, now what is left? X minus 7. Here minus is there, release this by multiplying minus with x and 4. Minus into plus is minus x. Minus into plus is plus 4 is equals to 11 by 30 bracket x square keep as it is minus 7x plus 4x is minus 3x minus 28. Close the bracket. Now plus x minus x gets cancelled up. Minus 7 minus 4 is equals to 11 by 30 x square minus 3x minus 28. What is this? Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11 is equals to 11 by 30 into x square minus 3x minus 28. Understand? Now you can see that 11 by 30 is there. You just send other side by reversing, that is minus 11 into 30 by 11. Numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes numerator. Thus, you have changed and transfer other side. Is equals to x square minus 3x minus 28. 11 gets cancelled up. What remains is minus 30 is equals to x square minus 3x minus 28. X square minus 3x minus 28 is equals to minus 30. Okay, x square minus 3x minus 28. Send this minus 30 to one side to make this as a quadratic equation, so that it becomes plus 30 equals 0. And x square minus 3x, here minus 28 plus 30 is plus 2 equals 0. We have brought this equation into the quadratic equation form. Understand? So first step it is to change everything, whatever the given equation, into quadratic equation. Now we have to find the roots. Okay, to find the roots, as you know that 3 methods we have got here. Just by looking at it, we'll come to know that here 2 is there. Your x square, if ax square actually, so by comparing standard deviation, x square and 2 if you multiply, it becomes 2x square. Okay, it becomes 2x square. 2 into 1, it becomes 3. Therefore, factorization, by factorization method, you can find the roots. Understand? And of course, you can find the roots by formula method as well as by completing the square. Understand? All the 3 methods are available here, suitable here to find the roots of this equation. Understand? But in the previous case, to solve this equation, factorization method did not work at all because we could not able to split the middle term. Here it is possible to split the middle term. I will do by factorization method. So you have to do by completing the square as well as by formula method. Understood now? Now you see here the same question I will write here. What is that? X square minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So by factorization method, what do we have to do? Ax square into, so here particularly to which method to find the roots is not asked. Okay, so any method suitable. If particularly mentions find by formula method, then formula method only. Find by completing the square, then by completing the square only. Find by factorization means by finding factors only we have to do. Understand? So here by any method, so I am doing factorization method because it is available. So first step in factorization method is ax square should be multiplied with c. What is ax square? X square. C is 2, that is 2x square. That is plus 2x square. Now see the middle term. Middle term is minus 3x. Okay. Now see here plus means, what are the factors for plus? Minus into minus or plus into plus. Here whether you will take minus into minus or plus into plus, see here what kind of sign is in the middle term. It is minus. Therefore take both the factors minus itself. Then for x square, x and x you are taking. Okay. So now 2 ones, 2 plus 1 is 3. Understand? Thus the factor are 2 minus 2x minus 1x. Minus 1x can be written as x itself. These are the two factors. Minus 2x into minus x is plus 2x square. Minus 2x minus 1x is minus 3x. Thus you can split with this factors, with these two factors from 2x square. Got the point? Now x square, we don't want middle term, we are splitting it. Take it minus 2x minus x plus 2 equals 0. Okay. Now divide into two groups. Take common x minus 2 minus you take common x minus 2 equals 0. Take the common x minus 2, then remaining x, nothing is there means 1 is there here. X minus 1 equals 0. That is x minus 2 equals 0, equate with 0, and x minus 1 also equate with 0, and you will get after transferring minus 2 that side plus 2, and after transferring minus 1 that side plus 1. So these are the roots 2 and 1. 2 and 1 or 1 and 2 are the roots of this particular equation or this quadratic equation, wherever it is, this quadratic equation. So 1 and 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. 1 and 2 are the roots of, how you got this? By simplifying this. Understand? By simplifying. Whenever the x factor is there in the denominator, the same term you multiply throughout so that you can bring it into quadratic equation form. Once you get the quadratic equation form, from here to here is the big process. Once you get here, 3 methods are available. Factorization method by completing the square and quadratic formula method. So these 3 methods, any one of the methods you can apply, but factorization method is not possible all the time. But 2 methods, completing the square and quadratic formula method, you can apply. Okay, so you will get the roots. So what are the roots in this case? That is 2 and 1. 2 and 1 are roots of this equation or this equation. Did you understand, children? Hope you understood everything. In the next video, we are going to solve the verbal problem. Understand? So verbal problem putting into mathematical form, and once you get the mathematical form or quadratic equation form, then which are the methods available? 3 methods by which you can find the roots. Did you understand, children? So till then, bye bye.